Well, I'll tell you what, guys, it does not take long for the slabs from the sawmill to burn. That stuff is green. It's been sitting there probably about 5-6 days maybe. And it's definitely making some good time and burning itself up. Welcome everyone. We're going to head back to the sawmill this morning and install a couple of solar lights that we have bought. Give us a little better lighting back there for you guys to see and for me to see. Thanks for watching. We've finally gotten to some fall temperatures too, guys. That heat feels good this morning. We made it down to about 52 degrees. Just about time to start cleaning up for fall and get around and get all the stuff picked up, debris that's fallen from the trees and things this year. We're going to be busy. Alright guys, Jill had a note stuck to this morning saying try this at the sawmill. And what we have here is 2 light bulbs, it looks like, at 1 watt or 100 lumens each, as well as the battery supply and the solar charger. Now here at the sawmill, I get here, it's either early in the morning, which is still kind of dark outside, or late in the afternoon if we've had a project run a little long. So a little bit of extra light and be recharged by the sun, that's not a bad thing. It's better than leaving the Mule sitting here idling with the headlights on. The solar panel as well as the battery pack does have the option that we can hard mount here. The solar pack actually has foldable feet here too, guys, that you can set this out on a picnic table or something like that if you're taking this camping or whatever. Now, I haven't got to try these things. If they work for me over the next couple of days, I'll leave a link for you in the description below. And will be our first attempt at solar power here at the sawmill. So this should be a really fun experiment for us. Let's get this mounted first, and then we'll wire this thing up. And it looks to me like everything is pretty well straightforward on it. I think I'm going to put our solar panel right here. Well, that should catch the sunlight for us, guys. I think I'm going to put that battery pack right in here and a little bit tall. That way the kids can't be playing with the light switch. That's always fun. I think one right here in the center of the saw, and then one right over here over the engine for the saw itself, and that should be pretty close to what we need. We'll figure out where we need to tie our wires up at. I think I can just tuck this cord right back in the rafters here. I don't know about you guys, but it's always a hassle to measure in between all this and get it square and level. I always just stick my screws in there, and then I'm going to hold this up where I need it and mark where the screws are hitting in the wood and just fasten it in. That's a easier way than spending time down here with a level and a square, and that's going to work out good for us. All right, for the big moment, guys, I'm going to turn these on. Now, don't let them blind you or nothing like that. Have to get these cable tied up a little bit, but again, that's the easiest thing we've installed here at the sawmill so far. And I can see some reflection inside here, so even at 1 watt or 100 lumens, that's probably going to be more than enough in the mornings for what I need. All the cables is up and out of the way. I think we can call this a complete install, guys. And I did leave this out far enough to where I can get my USB cable in here as well, if I need to charge some camera gear, cell phone, or anything like that. It's just before daylight, guys. Plenty of light to see to fuel, check our oil. We could even get a log rolled on here if we needed to. Well, that was the easiest install of anything we've done down here at the sawmill. As a matter of fact, the easiest install I've done on a lot of different projects lately. Solar panels and solar technology has came a long ways and continues to expand. So if you guys are shopping around for something like this, look into what you need And they make these things all the way up to where obviously you can run your home on it. So it should be more than adequate for our sawmill. I'm hoping these two little guys will do exactly what I need to do in a low light situation here for me. And all I can do is try it, guys. I'm going to show you the box one more time in case this is the unit you're interested in. That should give you some of the specs there. So we got the solar panel, the battery pack, 2 LEDs, and a USB charging cable for your phone and things like that. And now we have free energy down here that I don't have to be concerned with. The lights will run with 2 of them on at 10 hours to the charge on the battery pack. However, the panel is continuously charging as the lights are on as well. So this may be something I can just simply leave on down here. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you on the next one. We'll find something else to get into. I hope it's that easy.